Equinox is the time when the day and night are equal. There is a beautiful balance between the darkness and light. Hello everyone, I am Malini and today we'll talk about the equinox, which is on the 22nd of September. This not only expresses oneness, but it is a reminder for us to bring balance and perfect harmony in our lives. This is a powerful time to tap into the wisdom of the earth, the light of the sun, and connect with the source and the cosmos. There are a lot of energy shifts happening and you need to realign yourself. And this space gives you all you need to heal yourself, to grow, and to witness the miracles in your lives. The first and the foremost thing you need to do is clear and cleanse the energies around you. So declutter and deep clean your surroundings. Get rid of things that you do not require and create space for new things, new energies to flow in. Welcome the new energies. Be thankful and grateful for everything that you have in your life. And the best and the most effective way of doing this is maintaining a gratitude journal. For those of you who do not know what a gratitude journal is, it is a simple practice of writing down, listing down the things that you are grateful for. It could be very simple things which you otherwise take for granted. You can also be grateful, show gratitude in advance for things that you want in your life. And you will see how beautifully it manifests. Try to meditate. Sit down in a quiet place and connect with yourself. Try to connect with your inner self. Try to create that coherence between your heart, body, and the higher energies. This is the time you harvest what you have sown. The time you allow the dreams to come to fruition. So allow the energies to flow in. Bring balance in your life. And to bring this balance, it is very important to stay grounded. To stay grounded, the best way is to connect with nature. So get outside, go for a walk, surround yourself with greenery and get some fresh air. This will give you a lot of stability. And all of this will keep you on a higher vibration, keep you happy, healthy, boost your immune system. All you need to do is experience this with love and joy. Enjoy every moment. Stay blessed.